Dear students, today we will learn how to implement Breshnam line drawing algorithm. So first have a quick review of the Breshnam line drawing algorithm. The first step is we need to input the two endpoints of the line x naught, y naught and x1, y1. Then we need to load initial starting point of the end line into the frame buffer. Then in the next step, delta y twice of delta x, which is p naught is equals to twice of delta y minus delta x. In the next step, we will check the sign of decision parameter whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0. If it is less than 0, the next value of decision parameter will be twice of delta y minus twice of delta x. So we need to repeat the steps for delta x times. So it is a this algorithm we have already discussed in the theory class. Now today we will learn how to implement this algorithm in C language. Now see the implementation. We will study the implementation of Breshnam line drawing algorithm using C language. So we'll start the program by typing by or including all the header files such as stdio.h, conio.h, graphics.h, math.h. And then in the first step, we will initialize the graph drivers and graph mode. So here GD is equals to detect, comma GM is the graph mode, XC is the X, these are the variables. These all variables are integer type xc, yc, uh, x, y, x naught, y naught, x1, y1, dx, and dy. These all are integer variables that we will be using in the program. Then in the next step, we have initialized the graph by using this syntax of initialization of graphs, ampersand gd, comma ampersand gm, and the path of bgi file. In the next step, what we'll do as per the algorithm, we will use the printf function and we will read the values of starting point of the line. So we need to draw a line between two endpoints, the starting point and the end point. So first we will read the starting point. So we will write here enter the starting point of line. Then in the next step, we will scan both values x coordinate as well as y coordinate. Then in the next step, we will read the endpoints of line. And in the next step, we will read the values. So this is x1, so both x and y coordinates we will read. In the next step, what we will do, we will calculate the value of dx and dy. Dx will be x1 minus x naught and dy will be equals to y1 minus y naught. And after that, we will initialize x is equals to x naught and y is equals to y naught. In the next step, we will calculate the value of initial decision parameter by using the equation of initial decision parameter. Then we will use a loop while x is less than x1. After that, we will check the condition whether the value of decision parameter is greater than 0 or less than 0. So if the condition is true, we will display a pixel by using pixel function. We will pass the parameter here. So x, as per the syntax of pixel function, x comma y comma 7 represent a gray color here, right? Then the value of y will be incremented with y plus 1. And updated value of the next value of decimal parameter will be equals to p plus twice of dy minus twice of dx as per the algorithm. As we already discussed this algorithm, else put pixel x comma y comma 7, right? Then next the updated value of p will be p plus twice of dy as per the algorithm. And the next value x will be incremented with 1, right? Now, this is a program to implement Breshnam line drawing algorithm. So we have code the program with the by using the algorithm, the steps of the algorithm. Now we will compile the program. There are three errors. Now see the what is the error here. So this is undefined. हमने इस p को define नहीं किया है. So we need to define p here, and we can delete these two variables as we are not using these two variables here. Here error है यहाँ, we are having a one error here. So one कुछ हमने कर दिया है. We have this presentation displayed as I will find here. Now we will execute the program. Now we need to enter the starting point of the line. Here I am entering the 100, then 400, 400. Now you can see the result on the monitor. So 100 is the starting point of the line, and 400 is the end point of the line. So now you can see the output on the monitor. Now again we can compile the program, then we can execute the program. Now we can enter the another values, like for example 50, 200, and then I can give 400 and 200. Now see the result. So this is the output of the program. So this is the implementation of Breshnam line drawing algorithm. I hope you all will be able to understand it. Thanks to all. Thank you so much for attending the session.